everyone, welcome back. I'm Lucy Johnson, an accountant helping small businesses simplify their finances. Today I'm walking you through how to file your self-assessment tax return. If you're a freelancer, sole trader or small business owner, you probably need to file one each year. I know it can feel super overwhelming, but we'll go through it step by step so that you're confident by the end of this video to submit your self-assessment tax return. A self-assessment tax return is how the government collects income tax from people who don't have it automatically deducted. This includes freelancers, sole traders, landlords, and people with more than one income stream. So if you're self-employed or if you run a business, you're responsible for reporting your income and paying any taxes owed directly to HMRC. Here are a couple of dates to keep in mind. So if you've just newly gone self-employed or you need to register for self-assessment, this needs to be done by the 5th of October following the end of the tax year. File your return by the 31st of January for online submissions and the 31st of October if you're using a paper form. You can complete your return as soon as the tax year is over on the 5th of April. Missing these deadlines means penalties, so please do go ahead, mark them on your calendar. And please do also mark in your calendar when you want to achieve completing and submitting and paying your taxes. Before you start, make sure you've got the following ready. Your UTR number, which is your unique taxpayer's reference, your national insurance number, details of your income, whether that's through the business, it's freelance, employment, etc. Details of any business expenses you want to claim, bank interest, dividends, any other investments, all of your income needs to be gathered together. If you have all of this stuff up front, it's going to make the process way quicker, way smoother. Okay, let's walk through how to file online. So first up, head to the HMRC website. Log in with your government gateway ID. And if you don't have one, it's easy to set up. Once you're logged into your government gateway, go to the self-assessment section and start your return. First, you're going to fill in your personal details. Just make sure everything's up to date. Then report your income. This is all of your earnings from your business, freelance work and any other sources of income. The next section is where you report your business expenses. Only claim things that are wholly and exclusively for business purposes. So things like your office supplies, travel and marketing costs. Check out our YouTube video on tax deductible expenses up above. Once everything's filled in, double check your return for any mistakes. Then hit submit. HMRC will confirm your submission and tell you how much tax you owe. You can pay your tax by direct debit, credit card or by bank transfer. Just remember, the payment deadline is the 31st of January. Before we finish up, here's a few common mistakes to avoid. Missing the filing deadline, because then penalties are going to start kicking in and you don't want that. Forgetting to declare all of your income. Remember, HMRC can cross-check, and if you need the information from your PAYE, you need to reach out to HMRC and get that so that it is really accurate in your self-assessment tax return. Another one is overlooking allowable expenses. Please do not miss out on tax relief. Go and check out the video I suggested earlier. It will save you money. Not keeping proper records. You need to keep proper records for 6 years plus the current tax year. So it's super important that you have all of the information. By keeping these in records and folders and organised, you're going to be on top of stuff. So do it now. Don't let it get into a mess. And that's it. Filing your self-assessment tax return does not need to be stressful. If you're organised and you understand the process, things are going to be a breeze. If you're still unsure or you need a bit more guidance with your taxes or bookkeeping, I'm here to help. So you can book in a free consultation call with me and we can discuss your specific situation and you can get personalised advice. For some people, this will be a case of, I do not want to touch it, and that is okay. If you feel unsure of the information going into it, you need to make sure it is accurate. I've added a link below in the description where you can book a call with me. Don't wait until last minute though. Let's get it sorted super early. You can submit miles in advance from the 6th of April, so please do not leave it until January. If you come into most accountants in January, they're going to be fully booked. And of course, if you found this video useful, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more business and finance tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.